Okay, Jenna reporting in for a Thursday morning. Got the Seagies, got the Chop Seagies, got the cheese in, got the juice in, got the chalky, got the dare iced coffee. Got Channel 9 Today Extra Show playing on the TV. Got the skaters, got the helmets, got the new goggles, the old goggles and the new goggles. Got the silver Dubai ring with the polished Turkish stone. Got the new guitar. Got the new Bluetooth speaker. Got the Seagy. Now, we're talking once again about prices are down. Down, down, prices are down. Down, down, prices are down. We have $20 skateboards. We have $13 packets of Seagies with free red lighters to go with the $13 packets of Seagies. We have $2 juicing, $2 2-litre and juicing. We have 90-cent lemonades, 90-cent lemonades, pineapple lemonades. We have free rolled tuna, free rolled chalky, free rolled dare latte, free rolled dare latte. We have $10 Grammys of chup, $10 Grammys of skunk, and purple heads. We have $30 boxes of chop, $30 boxes of chop, $30 boxes of chop. We have cheap books from the op shop, $3, $2 books from the op shop, adventure, romance, fantasy novels. We have language books from the op shop, cheap $2, $3 language books from the op shops. Southeast Asia, Middle East languages, French languages, Brazil, South America languages, all the language books you want from the op shop. What else we got? We got $7 pepperoni, $7 pizzas from Domino's, pepperoni, meat and ham, beef and onion, margarita, pepperoni, $7 pizzas. We have $20 on zipper goggles, $15 on zipper goggles, $15 on zipper goggles. We have $20 band shoes, brand new band shoes. Oh, cool. Prices are down, down. Prices are down, down. Prices are down. Prices are down, down. Oh, cool. We have new guitar. We have new Bluetooth speaker. Oh, cool. Oh, cool. Prices are down, down. Prices are down, down. Prices are down. Oh, cool.